Okay, so you're dreaming of escaping that 9 to 5, right?
Yeah.
Trading that soul-crushing commute for the freedom of working from anywhere.
Work in your pajamas.
Exactly. And you've probably heard about this thing called affiliate marketing.
Oh, yeah. It's everywhere these days.
Well, today we're diving deep into it, trying to figure out if it's a real path to escaping the rat race or just another internet pipe dream.
Sounds good.
We've got some great resources to help us unpack this. Shopify's Guide, Affiliate Marketing for Beginners.
Classic.
Yeah, and insights from YouTube marketing experts Eric Ruffin and John Crestani.
Love those guys. Okay, so let's start with the basics. What exactly is affiliate marketing? I feel like it gets lumped in with all those get-rich-quick schemes,
Yeah, that's a good point.
but the reality is it's a lot more nuanced.
Definitely. So, at its core, it's about connecting people with products or services that they actually need and getting a commission for facilitating that connection.
Right, you're like a matchmaker. You're introducing buyers and sellers.
And you get paid for a successful introduction.
Exactly.
Now, John Crestani, he really emphasizes that unlike with a traditional business, you don't have to deal with the headaches of things like inventory or customer service.
Oh, that's nice.
You just focus on driving traffic to a product that fits your audience's interests.
Okay, but that sounds a little too good to be true, doesn't it?
Yeah, it can seem that way.
So where's the catch?
Well, the basic concept is simple, sure,
Right.
but success with this takes real work, strategy, and a healthy dose of realism.
Okay, so no slapping a link on your social media and just watching the money roll in,
Unfortunately not. It really is more like building a real business.
which can feel kind of daunting.
Yeah, definitely. Especially when you're just starting out.
So where do you even begin with something like this?
Shopify suggests starting with something that you're already good at, like your passions and skills. Think about what you're genuinely interested in. What problems have you solved in your own life that other people might also be struggling with?
Yeah, I guess that makes sense.
You're going to be spending a lot of time in this niche, so it has to be something that motivates you.
Yeah, you don't want to burn out. But what about, like, the actual platform? There are so many options these days.
You've got tons of options, blogging, social media like Instagram and TikTok, even building an email list.
Right.
It's about figuring out where your audience hangs out.
Oh, I get it. Like, if I'm really into fitness and love making those short videos, TikTok might be a good fit.
Exactly. Or if you're a natural storyteller and enjoy like in-depth content, a blog could be your ideal platform. Think about what you enjoy doing.
Okay, so let's say we've figured out our niche and a platform we like.
Got it.
But how do we find the right companies to actually promote their products? How do we know who to partner with?
That's where choosing an affiliate program comes in. Shopify breaks it down into 3 key factors:
Hit me.
brand reputation,
Okay,
commission rates,
makes sense.
and then something called EPC.
EPC, what's that?
EPC stands for earnings per click. It basically tells you how much, on average, other affiliates are making for each click on their affiliate link.
So a high EPC is a good sign.
Exactly. If other people are finding success promoting this product, it might be a good indicator for you too.
Makes sense. So we're looking for a reputable brand, a decent commission rate, and a solid EPC. But how do we make sure the program we choose actually aligns with our audience's needs and interests? We don't want to just be promoting any random product.
Right, you need to think about your niche research. Let's say, for example, that you're passionate about sustainable living.
Okay.
You could partner with companies that sell eco-friendly products, or promote guides on how to live a zero-waste lifestyle, or even recommend ethical travel experiences. It's about finding that overlap between your passion, your audience's interests, and the affiliate program.
Right, like those true crime podcasts that partner with mystery subscription boxes or forensic science courses.
Yes, they've tapped into a passionate niche and found products that perfectly complement their content.
And there are so many affiliate programs out there, right?
Oh, yeah.
From like Amazon Associates to really niche specific platforms.
Definitely. Like CJ Affiliate and ClickBank.
It's all about finding the right fit.
Exactly.
So we've got our niche, our platform, and our affiliate programs. Now what? How do we actually make this thing work?
Content is king.
I knew you were going to say that.
Shopify points out that a huge percentage of affiliate marketers rely on blogging to drive traffic. I think it's something like 65%.
Wow.
But whether it's blog posts, videos, social media updates, it all comes down to providing valuable content that resonates with your audience.
So it's not just about slapping affiliate links everywhere and calling it a day.
Exactly. It's about building trust with your audience, giving them genuine insights, helpful advice, recommending products you actually believe in.
Right, so they know you're not just trying to make a quick buck.
Exactly. And both Shopify and the YouTube experts we've been talking about, they really emphasize building an email list.
Oh yeah, email lists are important. This allows you to directly connect with your audience, offer exclusive content, and nurture those relationships over time.
So it's more about cultivating a community than just chasing those one-time clicks.
Exactly. And when you have that kind of loyal audience, they already trust your recommendations.
Oh, that's good.
And that can make a huge difference in your conversion rates.
Definitely. But before we go any further, I think we need to address the elephant in the room, FTC compliance.
Oh yes, the legal stuff. I know a lot of people's eyes glaze over when they hear FTC guidelines, but it's really important.
Absolutely. So can you break it down for us? What's the gist?
It all boils down to transparency. You need to be upfront with your audience about your affiliate relationships. Be clear that you may earn a commission if they buy something through your links. You might even want to add a disclaimer page to your website outlining your policies.
So just be honest. No hiding the links or pretending you're just sharing a product because you're so generous.
Right. It's about maintaining that authentic relationship with your audience.
It's like if you're recommending a product to a friend. You'd probably tell them if you were getting a little something for it. Right.
Exactly. Just be upfront about it.
Makes sense. Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here.
Yeah, we have.
Finding your niche, choosing a platform, picking affiliate programs, creating good content, building that email list, and of course, navigating those FTC guidelines. But I have to admit, hearing all this can be a little overwhelming.
I get it. It can feel that way.
Especially if you're used to the structure of a 9-to-5 job.
It's a whole different mindset. Taking that first step can feel really daunting. But what if there was a way to get personalized guidance and support as you start this journey?
That would be nice.
That's what we're here for. If you're finding this deep dive helpful and you want to explore affiliate marketing further, just leave a comment below with the word useful. Our team is standing by to provide you with tailored advice and resources to help you get started.
So if you're ready to ditch that 9-to-5 and embrace the exciting world of online business, take that first step and let us know.
We're here to guide you every step of the way. And remember, the most successful affiliate marketers bring their own unique perspectives and passions to the table.
That's a great point. So as you explore this, think about what unique value you can offer.
Yeah, what story can you tell?
That's what will set you apart from the crowd.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So let's talk money.
All right, everyone's favorite topic.
Can you actually replace your 9-to-5 income with this affiliate marketing thing?
Well, Shopify actually highlights a really inspiring example, Pat Flynn. He built a multi-6-figure business using affiliate marketing.
Wow.
Yeah, he focuses on these really detailed, high-quality guides that attract tons of traffic.
Okay, so it's definitely possible.
Yeah.
But I'm guessing it takes serious work and planning to get there.
Absolutely. It's not some overnight success story.
Yeah.
And it's not about passive income with zero effort. But the exciting thing is that once you get your system in place, it can generate income even when you're not actively working.
That's the dream, right? That flexibility, the passive income.
Yeah.
You mentioned email lists earlier. John Crestani, he really believes those are crucial for long-term growth.
Yeah, he's right. Building an email list lets you connect with your audience on a deeper level. Provide ongoing value and promote relevant products over time.
So it's less about chasing quick clicks and more about building a real community.
Exactly. With a loyal audience, you're not starting from scratch every time you promote something.
Right, they already trust you.
Which means more sales. Okay, now, remember those FTC guidelines we were talking about?
Oh yeah, the legal stuff.
We need to make sure we're being transparent.
Absolutely. So how do we actually do that?
You want to be upfront about your affiliate relationships. Clearly tell people that you might earn a commission if they buy something through your links.
Got it.
Maybe even add a disclaimer page to your website outlining your policies.
No need to hide it in the fine print.
Nope, just be honest and straightforward.
That builds trust in the long run.
Right. Definitely. Think about it. If you were recommending a product to a friend, you'd probably mention if you're getting something out of it, right?
Yeah, of course.
It's the same thing here. It's about maintaining that authentic relationship with your audience.
Makes total sense.
Okay, so let's recap.
All right, we've covered finding your niche, choosing a platform, selecting affiliate programs, creating content people actually want to read, building an email list, and staying on the right side of the law.
Phew, that's a lot. It can feel overwhelming, especially for someone coming from a traditional 9 to 5.
Yeah, I know what you mean. It's a big shift in mindset, and taking that first step can feel daunting.
So what do we do?
We want to make this as easy as possible for you. If you're finding this deep dive helpful and want to learn more, leave a comment below with the word useful.
Simple as that.
Yep, our team is ready to provide you with tailored advice and resources to get you started. We're talking personalized guidance, the good stuff.
That's awesome.
So if you're ready to say goodbye to that 9 to 5 and say hello to the exciting world of online business, let us know.
We'll be here to support you every step of the way. And don't forget, the most successful affiliate marketers are the ones who bring their own unique perspective and passion to the table. So what makes you unique? What story do you want to tell?
That's what will attract people to you. It's like you're creating a business that reflects your passions and your values.
Exactly. And that passion, it's contagious, you
Right.
know?
Yeah.
When you're genuinely excited about something, people can feel that and it draws them in.
It makes them want to be a part of your world.
Right.
It's like that saying, do what you love and you'll never work a day in your life.
Yeah, I love that quote.
It might not be completely effortless, but I think it's true.
Yeah.
When you're passionate about something, it just makes the work so much more enjoyable.
Absolutely. And let's not forget about the freedom that comes with building your own business. No more commuting, no more set schedules. You can literally work from anywhere.
It's all about designing a workday that fits your life, not the other way around. That's a huge draw for a lot of people who feel trapped in that 9 to 5 grind,
Oh yeah, imagine being able to work from a beach in Bali.
or a cozy cabin in the mountains.
Yeah. Set your own hours, be your own boss.
It's a pretty tempting vision, right?
Absolutely. And the great thing is that affiliate marketing offers a very real way to achieve that.
So for anyone out there who's feeling stuck in a job they hate, dreaming of more purpose, more flexibility, this is a legitimate option worth exploring.
It's not magic. You still need to put in the effort,
Right.
but the potential rewards are huge.
And you don't have to do it alone. If you're ready to take that first step, comment below with the word useful.
That's it.
That's all it takes.
Easy.
Our team is ready to help. We'll provide personalized advice, resources, whatever you need to start building the business of your dreams.
Awesome. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of possibilities.
And see where this journey takes you. Until next time, keep learning.